Thailand has welcomed the arrival of thousands of tourists from China, following China's decision to ease its COVID-19 strategy, which already took effect on Sunday. At the Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok, senior Thai officials greeted tourists from the Chinese city of Xiamen with flowers and gift bags. Dusita Sakal has more.
Suvarnabhumi, one of Southeast Asia's busiest airports, is just about to get significantly busier as China reopens its borders, giving the green light for their citizens to travel once again. And one of the top destinations for Chinese travelers is, of course, Thailand. Prior to the pandemic in 2019, Thailand welcomed nearly 40 million foreign travelers, of which more than 11 million were from China. China was by far the largest source of foreign tourists for this country. And considering tourism is vital to Thailand's economy, China's reopening plans will provide this country with a much needed economic boost. The presence of senior government officials, the Public Health Minister, the Sports and Tourism Minister, the Minister of Transport to welcome Chinese travelers today speaks volumes of just how important the Chinese tourism market is for Thailand.
Transport Minister, Tourism Minister and Health Minister, I think the gesture answers your question, that we are all concerned with the health of people in our home, as well as the health of the tourists that come to visit us, as well as opportunity that Thai people will recover from the damage caused by COVID for the past 3 years.
A flight carrying around 200 passengers landed from Xiamen. The flight is symbolic because it signals the return of Chinese tourists. Thailand has kept entry rules relatively relaxed for Chinese tourists. They will now face the same entry requirements as all other international arrivals. But besides these restrictions, it will take some time for international travel to fully rebound.
For the first flight that came from Xiamen today, the cabin load factor is 93%, compared to less than half of the cabin load factor before. Let's see the signal that they want to come back, the pending demand they want to come back. I think that we have to wait until the April in order to increase the frequency and the seat capacity for the Chinese to come to Thailand.
Thailand's tourism body expects around 300,000 tourists from China to visit in the first quarter of this year. By the end of this year, they expect the number to be close to 5 million. And by the end of 2024, that number will be close to pre-pandemic levels. Chinese travelers who landed in Thailand today are, of course, excited to be able to travel again.
I feel very excited and happy to be able to travel again. I'm excited to experience delicious food and explore the scenery of Thailand.
And Thailand's tourism industry is also optimistic. There's finally that glimmer of hope for a strong economic rebound after years of a dry spell that crippled the country's multi-billion-dollar tourism industry. Dusita Sakal, CGTN, Bangkok, Thailand.